Begin by selecting the product you want to download software for. Select the product card to view more details and software options. Select the release you want to download to see available files for that version. Review the license agreement before downloading any files by clicking the corresponding link. Read and accept the license agreement to proceed. Check the box to indicate you agree to the license terms. Select Submit to confirm and finalize. Return to the Release Downloads page after accepting the agreement. Once the agreement has been accepted, you can now start downloading your selected files.